Hey everyone, this is Katerina from callmeaftercoffee.com. And the news of the day is I've brought 85 people into my business in the last 2 weeks, which is super exciting. I have like a 15% conversion rate and over 500 opt-in. So I'm really, excuse me, I'm really excited. The only thing I did is I stayed consistent. I made a commitment to myself to do certain things every single day, like make these videos, and I'm doing it. If you're in any type of business, make a plan, make a daily plan and stick to it. It's going to make all the difference in the world. And if you are not in a business that you love, then go to my link, the link in my bio, and click on it. And on the homepage is the business that I'm promoting. And it's the one I love and I'm so happy I got into. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.